It's time to take control of your production with the AstroJet AJ-200, a compact tabletop direct-to-package system designed to print high-quality, full-color graphics directly onto your materials. Whether you are printing cardstock, envelopes, stand-up pouches, or coasters, the AJ-200 handles it all with ease. It accommodates materials up to ½ an inch thick and supports a generous full-bleed print width of up to 11.6 inches. The process of switching between jobs and media sizes is swift and easy. The system comes complete with an automatic material feeder, registration conveyor, and catch tray, enabling fast print production right out of the box. The printer can be used with an integrated feeder or in inline mode. The system has a programmable interface for integration with units at the input or output, such as feeders, inserters, tabbers, or conveyors. With numerous optional equipment, this unit can be tailored to your specific needs with a conveyor, drop tray, or a long media feeding tray. You get sharp print resolution up to 1200 dpi at speeds of up to 18 inches per second. That means you can print up to 10,000 full-color number 10 envelopes per hour. And it is built to last. The printer uses eco-friendly CMYK aqueous pigment inks. These offer superior durability and have been tested for optimal light fastness, water resistance, and scratch resistance. Our preloaded color profiles are optimized for maximum output with minimum ink usage. The system is equipped with a Windows print driver. The driver contains all necessary tools for rendering jobs, image positioning, and basic color management. For advanced color management and an additional boost in the printer's performance, RIP software can be connected to our system. By printing directly, you eliminate the need for separate labels and sleeves, significantly reducing materials and streamlining your production. With the AJ-200, you gain the ability to support short runs and quick changes, handle limited-time promotions and regional offers without the cost of plate charges or delays. Stop stockpiling inventory. Start printing exactly what you need, when you need it.
Visit us online at astronovaproductid.com to learn more and request your free printed samples today.